G'day guys, Rolfus here bringing you a video. Me and my daughter Lily. Say Lily.
Hello!
Here with my mate Dave. Good wave, Dave. Oh,
Dave's moving.
and today's friend is going to be, Lily, who is it?
Hold on, wait, I'll just get the bell out.
I'll get the bell ready.
Leanne.
Leanne! And what should the people at home do, Leanne? If they subscribe, they should ring the bell. Excellent work. Yep, that's enough. That's enough. And I want to give out a quick shout out to Matthew Acosta, who left a nice little message on our last video. Thank you, Matthew, for that. If you want to shout out, just leave a message down below on Facebook, or you know me in person, say give me a shout out and I'll give you a shout out. But today we're going to be doing spew balls for Lily. So spew balls there, and I'm going to be trying Tabasco chocolate. So we did a bit of a sneak peek in the last episode of what we're going to do this episode. I'm going to do another sneak peek. This is not necessarily going to be the next episode, but this is an idea some friends at work had. We're going to do a live stream where Lily does my makeup, and you can sort of guide her on what you want her to do. So it's going to be fun for me. I'm sure it'll be fun for you guys. So yeah, there we go. So that'll be coming at some stage. But today we'll get into our lovely little treats.
That will be exciting, that.
So where'd you buy this from?
The Renown.
Oh, so there's a little chocolate shop in North Hobart called The Renown. They do ice creams and that sort of stuff.
You can... Picture! Picture?
Oh, picture, yes, picture. And yeah, so you can buy chocolates and that sort of stuff. And Lily and my wife got this for me the other day, so yeah, we'll be able to try it.
If it's not that spicy, then I might have some.
I'm not thinking it's going to be that spicy, because it tastes a bit weird. It's dark chocolate too, so it might be a bit interesting. You show them, you get that while I open this. But it's also melted a bit.
Ooh, it smells like lime. Wait.
So it's no longer in wedges, it's actually...
Can it focus, please?
Oh, it's all sticky.
Can it just focus, please?
Yeah.
Focus!
You're going to hold it there for a second, isn't it?
Ah.
There we go. And, okay, yep, everyone's in this wee ball. And so this is my chocolate. There's supposed to be a nice little wedges, but it's got melted and it's in a big pile of good. Should now think it.
Mine get a bit hot now.
It might do. Oh.
It says liquid
Oh.
salad cheese. Is it hot?
No, it's had chocolate on my face. Oh, I've got the buttons again.
I'm hot.
Mine just tastes like... Oh! Where's the heat? Woo! Jeepers, creepers.
I'm trying them out. I don't taste any sourness yet.
Oh. It literally just tastes like dark chocolate that's very, very hot. Oh, we don't want to eat that, it's spicy. Tastes okay.
Hold on. I need to check the freezer for something entertaining now.
Oh. I don't know how to entertain them. What did you get out of the freezer?
I can have it now.
Have what?
That because there's ice cream in the freezer.
Is
I
there?
mean freezer.
You want to try some?
Oh, there's ice cream in the freezer.
We can try some if you like. Let's get rid of your gum though. Is it really sour or is it just pretty average?
It says it will taste like the... Hold on, I can't spell it out. But I can see. If you can see. It says the flavoured, that word. That.
They can't see it.
Oh.
I'll put an arrow to that. You want to try this chocolate then?
I didn't say I really wanted to have it.
You don't really want to have it? A little bit more.
Oh, you're going for more.
No.
Huh?
That's okay. There we go.
I'm getting the actual ice cream. Entertain them. For a long time.
For a long time, I can't entertain them for a short time.
Okay. Then do that.
Good up nice. That's enough. Alright, so you gonna try some?
This is the day I finally try something.
Yeah, just have a little tiny tea. There you go. Tastes alright, it just tastes like nice dark chocolate. It's actually quite nice. Dave will give you a wave for support.
3, 2, 1.
Now it takes a minute for the melt in your mouth. Trying to read the ingredients here, but it's all covered up. Not torn it. Unsweetened chocolate, sugar, cocoa, butter, and yeast for fire, vanilla, Tabasco brand dry red flavouring. Oh, yeah. Red pepper distilled vinegar, salt. It's a bit spicy. You're right, yeah.
That felt good.
Does it taste nice with the vanilla ice cream?
And you try it.
No, right now I don't want any more.
I'll have another bit just for the peeps.
You want to do it? Another bit? Oh my god. Lily is going nuts.
I know they're tiny bits, but oh my goodness, I still got the other one in there.
She'll eat more of it. You're doing Uncle Darren's chili challenges.
Okay, well, I'll pick him.
Yes.
I just told mine.
We just showing people at home I bought Coles ice cream. Probably they haven't seen it, I don't know.
That bit actually wasn't that bad.
Yeah, after the initial heat, it's not too bad. So what do you reckon?
I still need a bit of ice cream.
Tabasco chocolate, yes or no? Oh, straight up yes. There we go. Oh, you're going straight for the big yes. So that's it, Tabasco chocolate, it's not bad.
And the spew
Give it
balls.
and the spew bowls, well, a spew bowl.
A yes.
For the last time, no.
But mostly yes.
Oh, so a little bit, no, right. But, well, yes is a yes.
Yeah.
So there we go, spew bowls, yes. Tabasco chocolate, yes, it's not bad. Give it a go if you like spicy stuff and a bit of a chocolatey treat.
Go on, Darren, now you can do that.
There you go, Uncle Darren, get some Tabasco chocolate and eat an entire block of that in one go. There we go, there's a challenge for you.
Maybe not the whole entire block, but...
No, Uncle Darren likes spicy stuff, so
Okay.
you're going to go more.
Yeah.
Alright, well that's it for today's video. Again, thank you, Matthew Acosta, for the nice comment, and we'll see you next time.
I really want it just to be normal chocolate, because it looks really good.
It does look good. Well, it doesn't look bad because it's been squished and it's melted. Take a bite of it.
I'm going to try to do this without having ice cream. Bye. 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 Wait, can you see me? Or is that... Wait, you can see me in there. Wait.
In the eyes.
Yeah.
Ooh.